Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a small but super useful update to Gemini Live, Google's AI voice assistant. It's finally getting a feature that people have been asking for since launch. And honestly, it's about time. Section 1. What is Gemini Live? Gemini Live lets you talk to Google's Gemini app in real time using your voice. You can ask it questions, brainstorm ideas, or show it things with your camera. It's meant to feel like a natural conversation. Talk, show, and listen. But until now, it was missing one key feature. Section 2. The missing feature. According to Phone Arena, the new update adds a mute button. Yes, a mute button. Sounds simple, right? But it's one of those basic tools that should have been there from the start. If you've ever used Gemini Live in a public space or during work, you know how awkward it can be when the AI keeps listening while you're not talking. With this update, you can finally pause the mic whenever you need to. Section 3. Why it matters. So why is this such a big deal? First, it gives you privacy and control. You can mute instantly if someone walks in or you need a moment. Second, it improves comfort. Not everyone wants an AI listening non-stop during conversations. And third, it helps creators and professionals. If you use Gemini Live for ideas or script writing, the mute button makes it easier to manage when you're recording or thinking. Section 4. How to use it. To use the new mute option, open the Gemini app on your phone. Start a live session using your voice or voice plus camera. You'll see a mic icon or a button to pause or end the session. That's your mute control. Google says the feature is rolling out gradually, so if you don't have it yet, check for app updates. Section 5. Should you care? If you use Gemini Live often, yes, this makes a big difference. If you mostly type or use it quietly, you might not notice it much. But it shows Google is serious about improving real-time AI interactions. Right now, it looks like the rollout is starting on Android, with more devices expected to get it soon. Conclusion. So yeah, Gemini Live finally gets its mute button. It's a small update that makes a big difference in everyday use. What do you think? Have you seen the feature yet on your phone? Let me know in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick tech updates. Thanks for watching.